Hello learners, I am Teacher Isaac, a teacher of physics and mathematics from Wuna Educational Services. I want to welcome you to our online class. Today we are just going through some revision questions in the topic SATs. I'm going to do for you number 2, part A. It is saying rationalize the following, but part A is saying 3 root 2 plus 1 divided by 3 root 2 minus 1. Now learners, you need to understand, when they tell you to rationalize, they simply want you to remove the surd out of the denominator. And how do you do that? You will multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, both up and down. Let us do it. So the conjugate of this denominator is going to be 3 root 2 plus 1. You just simply change the sign. You also multiply it up. 3 root 2 plus 1. Don't forget the division sign. So we can also put some brackets there and we can expand. When we expand the numerator, we shall end up having 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 1. Then a plus 1 into 3 root 2 plus 1. Divide by. Now when we look at the denominator, it will be a difference of 2 squares. So we shall simply have 3 root 2 squared and minus 1 squared. Just expand the 1 up. The 3 and the 3 multiply to give us a beautiful 9. The 2 and the 2, they multiply to give us a root 4. Then plus this times 1, it is 3 root 2. Then plus 1 times that, it is a 3 root 2. 1 times 1, which is going to give us a 1. So we are going to square this, but according to the laws of indices, this square will affect both terms in our bracket. It will affect the 3 and the root 2. So it will be 3 squared, which will be a 9. Then root 2 squared, which will be simply a 2. So this one we can ably multiply, and we shall end up having 18. Then minus 1 squared, which is a 1. We shall continue to simplify this. We know the square root of 4, it's a 2. So 2 times that 9, it shall end up giving us 18. So these ones are like terms, so we can add them. This is 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2. This one here is going to give us a 6 root 2, then plus that 1, divide by. This one here is going to end up giving us a beautiful 17. Yeah, so we shall collect like terms. This 18 and the 1 there, they will end up giving us a beautiful 19 plus a 6 root 2 divided by 17. You can split the denominator and you end up having 19 over 17 plus 6 over 17 root 2. So that one becomes our beautiful answer. So dear learners, you can try to do part B and some of those other questions, but we shall meet in other online classes to help you improve in the topic of SATs. Thank you. I remain Teacher Isaac from Wuna Educational Services.